in solving the problem in fourth quadrant by using the AutoCAD software. So first you go to AutoCAD software and disable the grids and enable the ortho mode. So go to limits. So first the limits command. So here you type 0, 0 and type 297, 210. So then go to zoom all, go to line. So select some point and take some distance from here to here. Then again you drag it in the vertical direction and click it here. Then go to offset. Now we want to draw the A4 size sheet. So type 297, enter. Specify offset distance. You select this vertical line and offset to the left side. Again you take the horizontal line and give the offset distance as 210 and select this horizontal line and offset to the top side and go to zoom, Z enter, extends. Extends till the entity what we have drawn. Then go to zoom 0.7x, so 70% of x. Then go to fillet, select this vertical line and this horizontal line. Similarly this horizontal line and this vertical line and this vertical line and this horizontal line. So now we'll go for the text. So start point, you select the start point and give 4 mm height and rotation angle as 0 and put the caps lock off and type the 18 problem. So a point capital A is 40 mm in front of VP, and is situated in the fourth quadrant. Its shortest distance from the intersection of XY and X1 Y1 is 45 mm. Draw its projections, also find its distance from HP. And take this and just give an return and go to layer. So here click on the new layer and mark this as XY, put the caps lock on and go to line weight, make that line weight of layer as 0.13 and then say OK, and then again on layer 0 click on the line weight and make it as 0.05 and click on OK and close this layer command. So now we'll go for the line. Draw a line of any length in the horizontal direction. Similarly draw a line in the vertical direction, and now here go to zoom window and take near to the screen and go to the text, and here you mark this vertical plane, and then this will going to be the horizontal plane in bracket, and then this will going to be RPP. Then go to move, switch off the ortho mode and place it appropriately in the fourth quadrant, and then go to draw a line at any convenient distance. Click on the ortho mode and draw a vertical line and go to trim this cutting edge. You select this as the cutting edge, so the line is trimmed till here, and then go to offset. So take the offset distance as 40, select this horizontal line and offset it, and here fillet, select between this vertical line and this horizontal line, and then go to line, draw line from intersection at the rate 100 less than minus 45, then enter. Then go to line, draw a intersection horizontal vertical line, you draw this and go to fillet, select between these two, and then go to circle, take the intersection of this and the radius is 45, and always you break circle in the counterclockwise direction. Break, select first, select object, you select this and break it in this direction. Similarly you select this and break it in this direction, and then go to erase and go to trim. So trim this line till here, then go to line, draw a line from intersection point of this to perpendicular to this. So here, then go to break this line till here, and break this line till here, break this line till here, and break this line from here till here. So here now we need to go for select this XY line and this X1 Y1 line and change it to layer XY so that the thickness has been changed. Now we will go for the text. Select this and you mark this as X and this as Y and this as X1 and this as Y1. Once you do that, then go to move, select this and you select this here. Similarly Y and X, then RPP, then go to donut, take inside diameter is 0, outside diameter is 3, take intersection point of this, then intersection point of this and intersection point of these two. Since it is A, so you mark this point as A dash and this will be A double dash and this will be A. Then go to DDIM and then go to modify, click on offset from the origin as 3 and symbols and arrows, go to arrow size 4, then go to text height as 4, then vertical is above, align with dimension line, offset from the origin as 3, go to primary units, make this precision as 0 for linear dimension and say OK and say close. Now we will go for ortho mode on, go to leader, take nearest point on this and drag this, annotation option none. Similarly go to leader, take nearest, you select this, then again go to annotation option and none. Similarly nearest leader, take nearest point on this and drag it, annotation option none. And go to explode, take X command, explode is nothing but X, you select these 3 lines and then explode it, then go to erase, erase this and erase this. Then go to dim vertical, take center of this and take intersection of this. So here take text, put the space bar and then enter. So dimension location, keep it here. So similarly dim vertical, take center of this A and this intersection point and say 40 and go to dim radius, select this, take R45, so you keep it here, and dim angle ANG, select this and keep it 45 degree here. Then go to move, select this, move it till here. So once you have this, now we need to go dim horizontal, take intersection of this and end of this. So here go to text, give space bar and select any distance here. Type d text and mark any distance here. And here d text, type so d text, select this, rotation angle as 90, then type L equals question mark, then go to move, select this and put the ortho mode off and keep it here. Then check the distance between these two, nearest point of this to perpendicular to this, so the distance is 20.62. so now we are going to write the answer. So d text, so here 90 rotation angle, I make it 0 and here you type answer L equals 20.62 mm. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing in AutoCAD in the 4th quadrant with the shortest distance. And now we are going to save this, go to appropriate drive and type P18 and click on save.